Because some of the associations demanding this cement plant to pay the rate which has been notified by the government, and after I asked the report, and the cement plant has paid exactly which has been notified by the government the rate, and two associations from East Zaintia and West Zaintia, they are working very happily with the cement plant. And of course, it seems another association come Meghalaya drop also another some things, and they come and demands we have to they have to follow the same rate even beyond Meghalaya, which is not possible for us to notify on behalf of Assam government. That is the core of the matter. The notification rate exactly is not with me, not demand, they just demand that they should implement the government rate, and which cement plant has done it.
Ma, then what is the government rate, ma?
Government rate is not yes, the government rate is as per within Meghalaya is 11 rupees per metric ton per kilometer for blacktop roads, and 12 rupees per metric ton per km for gravel top road, and 14 rupees per metric ton per km for the Kocha road. That is the latest notified one, and the cement plant has implemented even long time. So the group they demand it, even they said even we should get different rate for the rate outside Meghalaya. So for outside Meghalaya, I mean Assam or some other place, we cannot notify from the government of Meghalaya on behalf of the other state. Even they didn't leave the state. So obviously after a strong long dialogue after 8 9 days, and the SMBC called them to the tables and they have serious of negotiations. So lastly they didn't understand. It seems so law have to take their own course of action. But from my side as transport minister, everybody can meet me if they want to meet me, but actually this is the business between the transporter and the cement plant, not the government affairs. Yes, of course, if they want to meet me as well, welcome, no problem. Well, seem 2 3 are there, but still no record me who are the name, but it seems 2 3 are there.
Ma,
Still
President.
the police will do their own course of action, will take their own course of action on it.
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).